Dryvit's been in the EIFS industry for 50 years. Our customers have been producing panels for 47 or 48 of those years. The Federlite panel was something that we have been producing since the early 1980s, was developed by one of our Dryvit distributors to get around issues with putting scaffolding up and working on an inner city and being able to work in the wintertime. With Dryvit's panel program, we offer all of the information that a contractor would need to make his own panels. But in many cases, in certain areas, we have contractors that don't have plants and don't want to get involved in setting up an operation. So we have set up a program where we have partner fabricators that provide panels to us for our specifications to a specific job, and then we would sell those made panels to a contractor. We have a finish for anything that you could even imagine. We can provide wood grain, we can provide templated brick, we can provide new brick. We can also provide panels that replicate an aluminum composite panel or a cut stone, and any number of our plaster finishes. A lot of times customers want to have drainage capabilities on their exterior walls. We can incorporate a drainage design into the Federlite panel. And the biggest advantage to utilizing this type of diversity with our finishes is it allows you to completely change the look of your building, but you're only dealing with one source. And then the other big advantage is that we've got a standard modular sizing. So somebody can design a building around that, knowing that they have standard panels with set pricing before they even send us a request for a quote. We can do air and moisture testing on the panel, on the joint designs, on the window layout, check for water leakage. Nobody offers that. I don't think there's another company in the country, perhaps in the world, that provides that type of service for their customers. And an owner knows that they can rely on one company to deal with all of the different issues, just from a waterproofing, from a thermal, from a coating standpoint. By having that CPG umbrella dealing with your product and your project, it just takes a lot of your worries out of the equation.